What's up, everyone? Today we're diving deep into a topic that's super important for all my hustlers out there, dreaming of making it big in the business world. The massive decision between pursuing an MBA or an MIM degree. Listen up. This choice can literally make or break your career trajectory, so we gotta weigh all the options carefully before taking the leap. I know it's a lot to take in, but don't sweat it. We've got you covered. We'll break it all down step by step, from work experience required to career prospects and everything in between. Make sure you grab a pen and paper, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more such content. So, what's the deal with the MBA and MIM? Well, let me give you a breakdown. An MBA, or Master of Business Administration, is a comprehensive program designed for professionals who already have a few years of solid work experience, usually between 3 to 5 years. It covers a wide range of business disciplines like finance, marketing, operations, and strategy, prepping you for those managerial and leadership roles. Let us know if you want a video on that. On the other side, the MIM, or Master in Management, is tailored for fresh grads or those with little to no professional experience. It acts as a foundation, giving you an intro to core business subjects like finance, marketing, and operations, but in a more general and surface-level way when compared to the in-depth MBA curriculum. Alright, let's talk about that all. Important work experience factor. For an MBA, most programs require you to have somewhere between 3 to 5 years, sometimes even more, of solid professional experience under your belt. They want to see that you've been hustling and gaining real-world skills that you can bring to the table. But for the MIM, the target audience is a bit different. This degree is specifically designed for those fresh out of college or individuals who haven't had much of a chance to gain significant professional experience yet. It's all about giving you a solid foundation in general management principles and business basics before you dive headfirst into the corporate world. Now that we've covered the work experience aspect, let's talk about what else you need to qualify for these programs. For an MBA, the prerequisites are pretty straightforward. You'll need an undergraduate degree in any discipline, competitive scores on those dreaded GMAT or GRE exams, and of course that coveted work experience we just discussed. As for the MIM, the requirements are a bit more flexible. You'll still need an undergraduate degree in any field, but some programs may let you slide on the GMAT or GRE scores if you have little to no professional experience. After all, they know that you're just starting out on your journey. Disclaimer, it is very important to check school websites if the GMAT or GRE is actually required or not. Okay, now the question is, what's the end goal here? What kind of career prospects are we talking about? Well, my friends, an MBA is all about setting you up for those sweet managerial and leadership roles across a wide range of industries. We're talking consulting, finance, marketing, general management, you name it. The whole point of an MBA is to take your existing skills and experience to the next level by enhancing your knowledge across various business disciplines. It's like giving you all the tools to tackle any challenge that comes your way as a future leader. The MIM, on the other hand, is more geared towards helping you land those entry-level positions in specific business functions like marketing, finance, or operations. Think of it as your stepping stone, a way to get your foot in the door and gain some solid experience before potentially advancing further down the line. So I had this buddy, let's call him Jake, who went the MIM route right after college. He landed a sweet gig in marketing at a pretty awesome company, and that all after just few years of grinding it out and gaining valuable experience. That MIM degree was like his golden ticket, opening up doors that might have been closed otherwise. Okay, now let's talk about the thing that probably keeps most of you up at night: tuition costs. Let's be real, MBA programs ain't cheap. We're talking about some serious investments here, with tuition fees varying drastically based on the program and university that you choose. For example, if you're aiming for those ultra-prestigious MBA programs at schools like Harvard or Stanford, you better start saving up now, because we're talking tuition costs upwards of $70,000 per year. Yep, you read that right. 70 grand a year. But don't lose hope just yet. If you opt for the MIM route, you can catch a bit of a break in terms of tuition costs. Generally speaking, MIM programs tend to be more affordable compared to their MBA counterparts. For instance, at some reputable universities in Europe, you could be looking at tuition fees ranging from around $20,000 to $40,000 for a one-year MIM program. Still a significant investment, but definitely a more wallet-friendly option. Moreover, if your goal is to relocate and find a job in the US or in Europe, MIM is a much more affordable option and easier from the application standpoint. Of course, these are just examples, and costs can vary widely depending on the specific institution, location, and all sorts of other factors. But in general, you can expect MIM programs to be the more budget-friendly choice, at least when it comes to tuition fee. Another key factor to keep in mind is the duration of these programs. Most full-time MBA programs are designed to be completed in roughly 2 years, although part-time or executive MBA options can sometimes take even longer. On the other hand, MIM programs are usually structured to be completed in 1 year of full-time study and can go up to 1.5 years, which can be a major selling point for those of you who are eager to get back into the workforce as quickly as possible after graduating. Let's say you're someone who's already been out of the game for a while. Maybe you took some time off to travel or pursue other passions. In that case, the shorter duration of an MIM program could be a huge plus, helping you to get that degree under your belt and start applying for jobs in a relatively short amount of time. All right, now for the part you've all been waiting for. Let's talk about money. When it comes to average salaries, MBA graduates tend to have a major advantage with a higher potential for big, juicy paychecks and accelerated career growth. According to a survey by the Graduate Management Admission Council, the median starting salary for MBA graduates in the United States was a whopping $115,000 in 2021, which can go as high as $180,000 for the top 20 MBA programs. Yes, you heard that right, 6 figures straight out of the gate. Now for MIM grads, the starting salaries might not be quite as eye-popping, but don't sell yourself short just yet. While entry-level paychecks for MIM holders may be lower compared to their MBA counterparts, this degree can still open up some solid opportunities right off the bat. According to data from the QS top universities, the average starting salary for MIM graduates in Europe ranges from around $40,000 to $60,000 depending on the location and industry that you end up in. Not too shabby for your first gig out of the gate, right? Plus, remember, the MIM is just the first step on your journey. With hard work, dedication, and a touch of hustle, those salary figures can keep climbing as you gain more experience and potentially pursue an MBA down the line. Alright, let's take a step back and compare the key differences between these two programs. The MBA is designed for experienced professionals who are looking to advance their careers and take on those coveted leadership and managerial roles. It's a comprehensive, in-depth education that covers a wide range of business disciplines, setting you up for long-term success and career growth. The MIM, on the other hand, is more focused on providing a general foundation in business principles for recent grads or those with limited professional experience. It's like a crash course, giving you the tools to land those entry-level positions and start gaining valuable on-the-job experience. Now, both programs have their pros and cons, and it really depends on your individual goals and circumstances. An MBA can be a more expensive and time-consuming endeavor, but it offers a comprehensive education and potentially better long-term career prospects and earning potential. An MIM, while more affordable and quicker, may not open as many doors initially as an MBA, but it still can be a solid stepping stone towards your future career advancement or even pursuing an MBA down the line. Now let's dive into some real stuff. Rankings. Although this must not be the main factor while considering a college and degree, we also cannot reject this totally. These rankings are decided by keeping various factors in mind like student intake, acceptance rate, academics, campus size, jobs, and many others. Here's a list for top MIM universities according to their ranks. Number 1, HEC Paris. Number 2, University of St. Gallen. Number 3, London Business School. Number 4, ESCP Business School. Number 5, ESSEC Business School. Number 6, Tsinghua University School of Economics and Management. Number 7, Emilion Business School. Number 8, ESAD Business School. Number 9, Rotterdam School of Management. And number 10, EDEC Business School. Now, coming to the MBA rankings. The top 10 MBA universities in the US with their rankings are number 1, Stanford Graduate School of Business. Number 2, University of Pennsylvania, Wharton School of Business. Number 3, Kellogg School of Management. Number 4, University of Chicago Booth. Number 5, MIT Sloan School of Management. Number 6, Harvard Business School. Number 7, NYU Stern School of Business. Number 8, UC Berkeley Haas. Number 9, Columbia Business School. And number 10, Tuck School of Business. These are the top 10 universities and programs. But do your own research about the college and course. There might be the case that a university which ranks number 9 can be a better option for you than a university ranking number 3. So make an informed decision. At the end of the day, my friends, the choice between an MBA and an MIM really boils down to your individual goals, circumstances, and career aspirations. My advice? Well, do your own research, talk to current students and alumni, attend info sessions, and take the time to weigh all your options. This is a big decision that could shape your entire career trajectory, so you want to make sure you're making the choice that aligns best with your personal and professional goals. Trust me, I know it's a lot to take in, but you've got this. With the right information, a solid plan, and that unstoppable hustle mentality, you'll be able to conquer whatever path you choose and achieve greatness in the business world. All right, that's a wrap for today, everybody. I hope this breakdown has helped shed some light on the MBA versus MIM debate and given you the tools you need to make an informed decision. As always, if you have any other questions or need further guidance, don't hesitate to reach out in the comments down below. Until next time, keep grinding and chasing those dreams, my friends. Bye.